Right, morning year 10. This video is to help you with the last two questions on task 722 on speed. So I've picked out two of the last questions from one of your tasks. So we've got Simone travels 90 miles at an average speed of 40 miles per hour. She then travels a further 30 miles, so that gives us 120 miles in total. And the average speed for the whole journey is 43 miles per hour. Assuming she didn't stop, what was her average speed for the final 30 miles? So we're going to use our speed, distance, time triangle, which is there. So speed, which we've got, is distance over time. So we're trying to find time. So we're going to do 90 divided by 40, which is 2.25 hours. So that's how long the first part of the journey took. The total journey was 120 divided by 43, put that in the calculator. We've got 2.79 and then a bunch of other decimal places. So to work out how much the last part of the journey took, we need to take these two numbers away from each other. So I've left it in my calculator. So I'm going to take away 2.25 to make it as accurate as possible. This hasn't been rounded, this is exactly what it's supposed to be. And we get that number. Okay, so 0.54. So 0.54 hours is how long we took to do the last 30 miles. So using, again, speed equals distance over time, trying to work out the speed. So I'm going to do 30 divided by that. So keeping it in my calculator, divide, and then using the answer button. So 30 divided by 0.54, we have 55.48 miles per hour. Okay, and then a second question, which is very similar, just slightly different numbers. So if you want to pause the video and have a go, please do that now. Otherwise, we'll carry on. So the first part, again, we're doing distance divided by speed. So 90 divided by 70, it's 1.29, blah, blah, blah. And then 160 divided by 63, because this time we've travelled a further 70 miles. So we've got 160 miles in total average speed of 63. So 160 divided by 63 is 2.53. I did these earlier, I'm not just doing those in my head, don't worry. So if we subtract those to work out what it is, now I would recommend using the fraction button so that you get it as accurate as possible. Computer's going mental. Okay, so we've got 1.25 hours, and it wanted to know what the average speed for the final 70 miles was this time. So 70 divided by that is 55.82 miles per hour. Okay, so hopefully now that you've seen that, you can have another go at that task if you need to, or finish it off. If you still need any help, please do email me and I will help you as best I can. Thank you.